Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and
Siyempre, hahatid ako ng tatay ko mabait. Okay. Slow mo ba? I just got changed, so this would be my fit for now. Para madali lang siyang tanggalin later pag nagpapalit. So I have to get ready na, guys. Like, I have to go pala, I should say. Yeah, so I'll be vlogging later again.
Look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is finding Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she's too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, yeah, no, maybe. In the meantime, just not what I want. Just some me time. Like Odell. Oh, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York to shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get along, maybe. In the meantime, it's not what I want. It's some me time. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only more like months. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time.
Ikaw siya ba? Hi guys, sa vlog. Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys. I'm single. Hey. I'm single po natin. Single! I'm single. Ulit. This is Carlo. Hi Carlo. Carlo, hey. That's Carlo. Uy, yung BTS natin. Kaya nga. That's you, what? You what? Say hi to the vlog. Yan ang may egg. Chill out, what you lay back and if you don't let it be, you will say I like you the way you are when we're hindi ko na rin maano, yun nga yung problema ko, Doc, kasi tao po. Hello po. Ito yung klase ko dati, or school ko dati. Wala pa tong canteen na to dito dati. Sige po.
Kalis na yung kantin dito?
Ito yung canteen namin dati. Ganyan siya kaluwang dati pala dito. Oo. Wala na.
Pwede ba dyan? Baka magalit sila. Kasi parang dito lang yung out.
It's time to open. Oh my God! Ito na siya! First time ko talaga. As in like, the first. As in sealed na ano. So here it is! So I got... Pero ayun lang. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for K-pop merch for keeping my... for keeping this album safe and protected. Super protected naman. First time ko kasi, as a first timer na bumili kasi, sobrang napasaya ako kasi this is my first time buying a seal talaga. There is, may mga nabili na rin ako ito, pero actually guys, this is my, my collection. Itong lalagyan na ng Instax na yung ginawa ko na kasi hindi ko na nagagamit siya ng Instax ko. But, this is my collection. This is my first time! Oh! How do you hold this? Wag ganyan ba? Uno. In just a few hours, it's gonna be my birthday. I'm gonna be 20 years old, and wow, it feels like a dream. Nado.
Happy birthday, anak. I love you. Anong first place natin?
Judges.
Pansit butong puto.
Nakaliatong dali ah.
Tag na sa taas. Kala ko yung nakapapon.
Yun lang ito eh. Photon, bunada. Bunad gari, tawid.
Ba't yung sabi niya hindi?
Birthday girl check. Okay po. Sige po. Hi vlog!
Kaleta kami kunada siguro boy.
Kaya pala!
Kaya palang tagal ko dyan at yung kulon. Nagabang kami lang tricycle sabi nung
Si Jessica ba yun o si Natalie? Kasi Natalie yung agad ready na.
What is your explanation? Oh, what's your explanation?
I have an explanation.
Oh.
We went to the plaza, right? After we went to plaza, it's so traffic, it's so traffic.
Oh, okay.
And then after that, we saw Calesa.
Oh, the Calesa right there.
Yes.
Okay.
And the Calesa said, 30 pesos ma'am, Don Domingo. Yes.
Oh.
And then we went here, so let's go!
Let's go.